Auberge Uchiko is a mountain style, it's a ryokan that has a mountain style villa rooms in Ehime Prefecture, which is in Shikoku Island of Japan. It's Auberge style, so it's kind of a Japanese French fusion cuisine, gourmet, or at least that's what it promises to be. And so in our villa, we have a room called Ume. That's what it says in that Japanese character, which stands for Japanese ume type of plum. So anyways, let's take a look at the room. Coming in. These rooms were renewed a couple years ago, I think 2019, under new ownership. So you walk in. It's a little bit up on a hill, so you do have some views of the city. Not really below, but a little bit lower, although there is kind of a big electric tower you can see there. Anyway, so there's a deck you can chill out on, although it's raining. Fireplace. Here's the main living area. And then you come around this way. You can see the room from this angle. And then so for over here, behind this curtain, you can see the yukata robe, bath towels, and a traditional robe, and a minibar. So this is an onsen ryokan, although, so there's a communal bath area where day trippers can also actually have access to it by paying a fee, but it's free of charge to guests staying here. The room also does have onsen bath, although it's not kake nagashi, meaning it's not continually filled and free flowing. So you have to actually fill this thing yourself. That's a huge bath. I don't know how long it's going to take to do it. Anyways, so some of the bath amenities. Let's see what's over here. Shower. And then the toilet looks like is over here. As some of you may know, a lot of toilets, they also have little hand wash basins, and this place is no exception. So that's the toilet. So that's what this is. And then there's one more room to show. So coming around this way. This is the bedroom. So it's kind of a modern Japanese style in decor and furnishings. It looks like the one peculiarity of the layout is that the sink, the wash basin, and the vanity is actually in the bedroom. So anyways, maybe there are some compromises in the layout from before, or just the shape of the villa itself did not lend itself to being able to have it in the bathing area, which to me is a little bit strange. But anyways, so it's like a comfortable enough place to spend time. Anyway, so this is the ume room at Auberge Uchiko, which is in Ehime Prefecture of Japan, in a place called Uchiko, which is, I don't know if it's historic, but there's some really nice places. There's a old town from the Meiji era, that, or even the Edo period. And this town prospered due to wax production of all things. And so there's a beautiful old town area with really pretty buildings and some of the residences that you can actually go in and still check out that are well preserved. Anyways, Auberge Uchiko, Ehime Prefecture, Shikoku Island, Japan.